So Santa, how are things in your neck of the woods?
Well, here at Santa Village, we've had a couple of problems lately, actually. And that's really why I wanted to come on and read these books, because Rudolph, he's had a bit of reindeer flu. Now, I don't know if you know reindeer flu. It's like man flu, but it's even worse.
Oh, I see.
And all he's wanted to do is sit in his stall and have someone else read him books. And he's picked 6 of his favourites. And I said, well, I'll read them this week and next week and share them around with people because he really wanted them. And I thought it would cheer him up.
Oh,
do you think that's a good idea?
I think that's a wonderful idea. I know this is making me smile already. Although my hat's a little bit floppy. Let's see. There we go.
At least you've got a bobble.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I'm not one to moan, but...
So I suppose we can go ahead and get started, Santa.
I thought I'd start with Candy Cane Fiasco. I mean, this book, it's by Rachel Hilz, but Luis Perez has done so much good work in it. I think you'll agree. My gran gives me a candy cane, and that's when things get tricky. Now, from my toes up to my nose, I am a wee bit sticky. I'm strolling through the living room. My dog comes running in. She stops and jumps up on my leg and sticks right to my thigh. I plop upon a big soft chair. It sticks right to my bum. Poor girl, she's all stuck up. Oh no. The cat comes over for a rub and she sticks to my thumb. I jump up, swaying side to side. The tree goes tumbling down. It sticks like glue onto my feet and almost knocks me down. I end up soaring through the room with cat, dog, chair, and tree. I can't believe the tree is now dressed up and wearing me. I never thought that I'd end up as my tree's decoration. It's not the Christmas that I'd planned, and not a fun vacation. Just then my gram comes running back and bolts into the room. She says, "That's silly. You can't wear a tree as your costume." "No, Gram," I cry. "The tree is stuck, and it is stuck to me." She nods her head and rolls her eyes and says, "Oh dear, I see. I guess you'll have to sit and wait till Santa Claus gets here. He'll surely know just what to do. Sit tight, my love. Don't fear." I sit there waiting patiently. He'll rescue me, I reckon. I wait there for 11 hours, 5 minutes, and 1 second. When Santa finally does arrive, he rushes to the tree. He tries to help. Oh no, but now he's stuck right next to me. Did you see I came down the chimney head first? I don't do that normally. I come feet first. It feels safer. Must have been a problem. So there we are. Cat, dog, and chair, and me, and Santa too, and the tree, and tinsel, and lights. What are we to do? "It looks like it's all up to me," says kindly old grandmother. She goes into the kitchen and returns with peanut butter. She then begins to spread it on and uses the whole jar. She says, "Now hurry to the tub. Oh, what a sight you are." We line up in the hallway just outside the bathroom door. We're dripping peanut butter on the wooden hallway floor. Gram scrubs us clean, cat, dog, and chair, and me and Santa too. Then grabbing all the candy cane, she says, "No more for you." But Santa is just so impressed how Grandma bathes the cat. He says, "I've never witnessed an astounding feat like that. Dear Gram, I never would have known that you have magic powers. Would you and your granddaughter like to fly for a few hours? My team is full of magic, but we cannot wash a cat. We'd love to have someone on board who's magical like that." Who would have thought a candy cane and bath for our dear kitty would be the reason we end up so high above the city? And that's the end of the book. I think it's a good book.
Thank you so much to Rachel Hilz for sharing that book with us. It is absolutely incredible. And it's one of many in a series, so you got to check those out. They're absolutely awesome. For authors that are here watching or joining us, and if you would like to talk about how Santa can come back and do some more readings, we have additional demand to come back and you want your stories read by Santa, we will absolutely bring him back. Do you have any messages for the children before we close out for our time today?
I do. I'd like to say thank you for being good and for being kind. I think more children, get on my nice list than grown-ups for being kind. It seems like it's automatic for children, whereas a lot of grown-ups have to make the effort, and it's well worth making the effort. But for children, it doesn't seem to be an effort. They just seem to be naturally kind.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful
You're very
day.
welcome. And thank you to the authors and the illustrators for these lovely books. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.